Hey guys, it's our weekly game night.
We're going to play a game called Who Flip First Wins.
Three. Huh. Da-da-da.
Oh no, three. I got three again, so I can't move anything.
Huh? Why?
Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
Don't copy me. Don't copy me. Yeah. Yeah.
Ish.
I'm gonna win.
Yay! It's a draw right now.
Come on, guys. The
This
last
is.
one. The last one.
Ish.
I won already. I won. Won. Oh.
Yay!
Wish me luck. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck.
This is
Come on, man. Choose
scary.
two.
Scary. This is scary now.
Yeah, man. Come on, this guys. Oh.
Ish. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Damn, this week I lose. Last time, the poison game, I won. So it's fine. Sometimes you have to win too.
Okay, bye.